Hey Harley guys out there, welcome back to 702 Motoring in Las Vegas. Tonight we're going to showcase a 2020 Road Glide we just finished with our Diamond audio system, amplifier, and speakers. You guys know pretty much how we do it here. It's our cookie cutter install. It's our same product. It's a proven design. MO75T shallow horns in the grills, MS Pro 65 mids, MP 694 and our Diamond Audio coax horn speakers and a 702 Motoring cut-in kit. There's a shot of inside the bag, how we do our wiring. That's the final product. This is the lid, our cut-in kit. Perfect fit. A little nicer fit than a Rockford, I believe I'm going to say. So here is the other bag here. All right. Okay. So we're going to listen to a Tom MacDonald song. It's going to be New World Order. It's a new song. I don't know how loud it's going to be because the highs are not as bright on this song. But we're going to showcase it on this bike, see what we can get out of it. And then we're going to talk about a couple more things here tonight, something a little different. So let me get this song back going. This song has a different artist in it also, Adam Calhoun. They did a song together, so hopefully I don't get copyright hit by doing this song. But I haven't played it yet. It's a brand new song, came out last week. So let's get this baby started. All right.
Here's the problem with America, the country is broken, cause they minds stay closed, but they mouths stay open. Get attacked and we blame terrorists, go broken, we blame the price, blame racists for the racism, but only if his skin is white. If we don't need guns, cause we can call the police. We don't need fire extinguishers, call a fireman, please. You didn't want to build a wall and now the border is weak. Your favorite actor has a gate that's like 15 feet. Racism is gay, if you're offended, that's retarded. Intolerance is great until you speak and you're a target. If a white man paints his face black, he's a racist piece of garbage, but you put him in a dress and he's courageous and he's gorgeous. All these double standards, man, I'm tired of the noise. Freedom's an illusion if they censor your voice. Call a dad a deadbeat for neglecting his boys, but a mom kills a baby and you call it pro-choice. You act like you're so much better than us. Yeah, we know that. Who told you that you so special? To a new world order. Your facts ain't facts without censoring us. Yeah, we know that. Good job, you lose, here's your medal. To a new world order. Why they hate the flag, they try to burn it to the ground. Don't do that in front of me, I'ma let off a round, pow. Scream loud, burn the city down now. Put it on the news, make them all feel proud. Look, make a system where 85% of black people feel the prison. Is it cause they black or they make bad decisions? I ain't good at math, but it seems like it's division. Or is it white privilege? I believe politicians need to be locked up. Try to take our freedoms, that's how you get shot up. Got our back against the wall, try to just stop us. More guns, more ammunition, please stock up. Election gets rigged, rights get infringed. Take this syringe, frighten your kids, show up right where you live. Make me wanna grab a rifle and just go. You act like you're so much better than us. Yeah, we know that. Who told you that you so special? To a new world order. Your facts ain't facts without censoring us. Yeah, we know that. Good job, you lose, here's your medal. To a new world order. And everyone blames white folks for every little bitty thing. We don't have no one to blame, we take responsibility. They tell you be a man, then call it toxic masculinity. Then when you act too feminine, they call it white fragility. I don't understand trans man with humility. I'm just trying to raise my kids the best of my ability. If I disagree, you try to cancel, get rid of me. You cancel, you can't be the answer, you killing me. And I hate white supremacy just as much as you, but I ain't feeling guilty for something I didn't do. The system's killing everyone, it sucks, but it's true. They kill you, then they broadcast it and call it the news. Or they'll brainwash you through social media feeds. And if you disagree, delete you immediately. Make America China pretty easy to see. I will always remember the land of the free. You act like you're so much better than us. Yeah, we know that. Who told you that you so special? To a new world order. Your facts ain't facts without censoring us. Yeah, we know that. Good job, you lose, here's your medal. To a new world order.
All right, guys. Wasn't as screaming as loud as some of the other songs he sings, but if you guys have a PC with speakers around it, you know, these 6x9s really produce some decent low end, to be honest with you. It's really surprising. Like I say, it's a new song. Hopefully I don't get copyright hit with it, because it does have another artist, Adam Calhoun. I'll put links into the description. You know, we use his music because we have his permission, and regardless how some people feel about some of his music, because it's a little out there, you know, it's better than YouTube copyright-free music. So that's our position on it. This is the product, Diamond Audio Micro 84U amplifier. I normally we use Sound Digital, but I tell you what, this amp is a badass amp. Not gonna lie, it's got a lot of power, just as much as Sound Digital. It's highly underrated on the box. It's got a lot of power. It's just not as small as Sound Digital. So if it's one amp, you know, install up in the fairing, you know, you're in great shape. If you're trying to put multiple amps, it's a little more tricky, but you know, with experience, you can make them fit. This is a good looking bike. This is a great looking color right here. I can't tell you I know exactly the name of this particular color, but it is a sweet looking bike. It is a sweet looking bike. So behind here, I've got some other stuff I'm going to discuss with you guys real quick. Website, 702motoringlasvegas.com. If it doesn't look like that, it's not our website. Go to this website. There's your search bar right here. Type in your Harley packages. Everything will come up. We have a ton of stuff. All right, so someone messaged our YouTube channel tonight and asked us in my last video about our installations. I did say in the writing, we will deliver the bike back to the customer in the same or better condition. And a customer had asked me, what do you mean when you say better condition? So not talking about the sound system, the bike itself. This is why. So we're gonna talk about these grills here in a minute, but we're gonna clean your bike, guys. You know, we're gonna use good stuff, not cheap stuff, because bikes get dusty. They come in, got some road grime and everything. So you're gonna get this. Every bike's gonna get this no matter what. I'm not gonna let a bike roll out of here with the same dust. You know, we've worked on it, we've taped it up, we pulled tape off. It gets dirty. The bike looks beautiful. The guy's gonna be happy when he picks up in the morning time. And most bikes, the black, we all know, black shows surface scratches. Nothing you can do about it. Well, there is something actually. But besides that, a lot of bikes have different scratches in it. You know, they got nicks, certain things that come in that way. So we actually have some polishes here, and we've always done this. I've never talked about it before, but you know, since we're gonna start talking about things we're doing for customers, I just do this because it produces a better product for the customer to pick it up. We've got ultra fine. I actually have fine also, medium, coarse. This is professional body shop polishes. So I'm going to use this on bikes myself personally. We do it by hand. I'm not using any power tools. I'm not going to buff anything. I'm not a professional in that area. I'm not going to claim to be. When it comes to audio, I consider myself professional, yes, but I'm not going to take a buffer on anybody's bike. I'm not going to take a chance of burning any paint. It's not what I do. But I can take some elbow grease, some good old rubbing, and I can get some good scratches out of a bike. Bikes get that automatically. It's always been that way. These aren't new. These have been used for a while. They were brand new when I got them. I use them. I mean, look at ultra fine. I mean, that's how much I've used on bikes. And that's probably the last year or so. Coarse, got some in there. Medium, but you know, halfway. You know, so that goes to show you. You know, after it looks like that's been used the most. This one has, but finalized. But that one, really, that medium polishing compound, well, I'll tell you what, it'll get scratches out of there. Without a doubt. It will get scratches out of your bike. So to the guys that have brought bikes in with scratches and left without them and realized, hey, you know what, I thought I had more scratches when I brought it in. Well, you did. So we took care of you on that. That doesn't cost you anything. That's because we enjoy doing your bikes. So appreciate the business. All right, plug and play harness we used for this Diamond Audio amp. Real simple. It's a 4-channel amp, guys. It's got 2 sets of RCA inputs. All right. Diamond Audio has a switch on the side of the amplifier here. You could flick it to 2-channel. Now, that doesn't mean it puts out only 2 channels. It's a 4-channel amp. What that means is this amplifier will accept a 2-channel RCA input and produce 4 channels of output. That's high-end amplifiers do that. Meaning, instead of running 2 sets of RCAs into the amplifier for input, you can use just one. Flick it on 2-channel, and that will give you 4 channels of output. That's nice. That's less stuff you have to worry about. Just so you guys know. So people get confused on that. It's a good feature on this amplifier. Something else coming about Diamond Audio amplifiers. Can't say right now, but we got some surprises. Hopefully this year we do have some surprises. Plenty of them, but I'm talking about another surprise. So let's talk about these grills for a second, guys. You know, customers, you know, buy product all sorts of different places and everything. But I'm going to say something. You know, this product you find all over the internet, this this open box product, you know, I'm just going to say this. Any product we sell that a customer has a problem with, it doesn't matter what it is, as long as there's not a hole in it or you shot it with a 12 gauge slug or something, we're going to replace the product. Now understand, this product goes back to Diamond Audio. Now, what happens from there, I can't say. So these people selling this new other open box product, brand new, just the box has been opened, guys, this product, whatever it sells for, you know, $500 pair of 6x9s, you find it for $300, $400 on the internet, this open box, and where it says new, just the box has been opened. Guys, come on, think. What happens? What happens to all that old product? I mean, I don't know. I'm not saying anything specifically, but everybody here watching these videos are intelligent enough to realize that. Buy from an authorized dealer. You are covered. Believe me when I say that. Okay. These grills, we make these in-house. Right, guys? And many of you that have ordered them know it takes us a couple days. Usually, sometimes we have them ready to go. But we ship out a lot of these daily. Road Glide, Street Glide, lowers, touring pack, whatever it may be. So this is how the product comes. Diamond Audio sells the grills. There's your Road Glide. There's your Street Glide. Okay, there's your these are the horns that go in them right here. There's your Road Glide. That's your Street Glide. Okay, we modify the grill in-house. We CNC a backing plate. We do this is in-house. CNC machine backing plate on this. So when that grill, that horn is installed in that grill, there's a backing plate installed on there, and the holes are drilled, holds it in place. These things vibrate, guys. We don't just screw horns on a grill and out the door they go. It takes time to do this. They're not pre-drilled. We drill them. We solder the wires on the horn for you, bring the crossover out. We do all that for you. Now, this is the Road Glide, and this is a Street Glide. The Street Glide has a little leg on it, okay? And it's the same one for the Road Glide. We just simply tap the leg off. But the way the CNC machine works, it makes sense to do it this way. The reason for that is, on the Street Glide, they go inside the grill like this. Just because the wire on a Road Glide comes up the top, but on a Street Glide, it comes down the bottom. Also, the grills are different, just so you guys are aware. Many are, many aren't. The lips on the bottom here, bigger on one side, smaller on the other. Obviously, this is top. So on the Street Glide, well, on the inside of the grill, it's going to look like that. That way, you can bring your wires straight down from the crossover that we solder. It comes down, and we wire tie it to this piece here, so it stays away from the mid-range. You obviously don't want your speaker wires hitting the mid-range, and then you bring it down through the bike. So that's why they're two different ones. But like I say, guys, we CNC these in-house. You know, they've gotten better throughout the time, or you know, we've gotten better at it. But you know, it's a chore, it's a challenge. This is a Cervamega P75T. You guys maybe have seen. We put these down in here. We'll put them inside, facing the wheel. These babies, you know, they're an inch bigger than these. You know, I can't put them in here though. Believe me, I love to. Believe me, I want to do it. I want to do it, even in here. But the problem is these are quite a bit heavier. Quite a bit heavier. You can see the difference here. So it's just going to rip the grill out. You know, this one, it won't rip, but because it's obviously bolted in. But I don't know. I don't want to buy too much of a speaker. Heck, let's have a whole horn the size of the grill. Anyways, so here's our CNC piece backing plate for this. We just developed these. These are brand new. We weren't doing them before on the bikes, but we do it now. That way, again, we can bring our wires down and wire tie it. It's cleaner. It's one step nicer, you know, and we do this, we'll do this, then time, we'll take some time and create some new stuff and everything. So I just wanted to go over that with you on the grills. We don't sell these separately, guys. I know a lot of people call us, hey, you already have the horns. Can I just buy the grills and back in place? Apologize. We just don't sell them that way. There's other variables involved. You can't just put connectors on here or solder the wires. These have to be bent down. Otherwise, you're going to hit your mid-range on both the Street Glide and the Road Glide. There's just too many variables, guys. It takes us time to do these, and we're only going to sell it if we're selling the horns and it's assembled, ready to go. It's just the way it is at this time. So it's not personal if you guys call and you want to buy just the grills. At this time, you just don't do it. Maybe in the future, but not at this time. So anyways, look at that. Is that crazy or what? The other day I had 3 bikes, 3 systems. I tell you what, guys are getting good. Getting fast, getting good. Oh yeah, we put this garage door opener for this customer down here. It was new, I haven't done that before. Did that, it's kind of neat. But talking to a couple guys out of California right now, a couple people with some Harleys and one guy with an Indian Challenger Dark Horse. And we've already started working on an Indian Challenger Dark Horse. The store has one. A little slow, but if that customer brings it down from California, that's going to push us to get that baby done. So looking excited about that. Maybe they'll bring it down. All right, guys. Thanks again, as always, 702 Motoring Las Vegas.